All of you sit comfortably and bring your attention inward and allow to let go whatever is happening this moment in your life so that you can be fully present here and in this moment and with these practices. And we will do the 9 breathing of purification. And those you do not know, just take a deep breathings, and each exhalation just release whatever the tension that you are feeling this moment in your body, in your mind, in your breath. Bring your full attention inward in the center of your body. Just feel it's open, it's clear. Bring your closer attention to your heart. Feel the openness, sense of devotion. And we sing the inner refuge prayer. Hale Jave Jengo Yade Male Jave Ne Sazo Golong Ayelo Tombe Golai Jazoje. The center of the Victoria Mandala, one's own body, the source of all positive quality without exception, is the expanse within 3 channels and 5 chakras. I take refuge in this body of emptiness. Bring your full and clear attention to your body from the sole of the feet till the crown. Feel the connection. Be fully aware of the stillness that you are experiencing in your body this moment. Connect with that and rest in that connection without trying, without putting effort. Just allow to fully rest in that connection to the stillness. Deeper, deeper, rest fully. This is the way we say taking the first precious pill, the pill, white pill, the pill of the body. Gradually be aware of the inner stillness, some sense of stillness of being, not directly related to the stillness of the body, but sense of stillness of being. Be aware of that unbounded sacred space, the first refuge. Be aware it's like encountering a Buddha after 20, 30 years of meditation, a joy, inspiration. A true source of healing. We discover every single quality which we need to nourish our inner being, our body, our soul from this true source. Trust that. Second prayer. Donga bombe denzo ye longe raza de ma je gada nam ge long je gola ja zo. Altogether, clouds of suffering and misery are completely cleared by the wisdom wind, revealing the unelaborated, primordially pure expanse of the sky. I take refuge in this body of light. Be fully aware of the silence. Silence is there, but when you're aware, it affects you. When you're aware, then only it affects you. Feel it. Feel the silence. Hear the silence. If you don't feel it, not hear it, then listen to the silence. Feel it deeper, hear it deeper. Rest in that silence. Comfortably, with deep sense of trust. Rest deeper, deeper, feeling, hearing that silence. Gradually, be aware of the inner silence, a silence of being, the silence which is not dependent on outer sound or the absence of sound. It's always there, regardless of that silence. When we hear it, no noise can affect us. No inner noise can affect our inner peace. No outer noise can affect our ears. Or outer situation cannot affect our mood. Feel rest in that inner silence. In that inner silence, there's a presence of awareness, a presence of knowing oneself, knowing itself. That self awareness is the inner light, the inner refuge, the second refuge. Be aware and connect with that. Third refuge, Wangyal Rinpoche Nyima Rinpoche Mare Mbe Dawazan Deje Gola Jazoje. From the pavilion of the five wisdom light, rays from non-dual sphere of light emanate, clearing the web of darkness of ignorance. I take refuge in this body of great bliss. Continuously be aware of that unbounded space in a refuge, the pure awareness, union of that space and awareness. There is a presence of warmth, be aware of that warmth. Union of that space and awareness. In that union, there is a warmth, it's bliss. Dynamic energy arises in that union or from that union. Gradually be aware and witness a certain elemental qualities like earth, a deep sense of connectedness, a awareness of connection, a feeling of connection, a sense of groundedness, centeredness. If you're aware of that groundedness, that awareness is the essence of earth element retrieving the essence of earth element. Groundedness is there, clearing obstacles we found and we connected. Not only there's a connection, there's a fully aware of that connection. As long as you are aware, you are retrieving the essence of earth. So be aware of that essence of earth, which means be aware of that sense of groundedness. That means be aware of that connection or connectedness to that union. If that awareness is there, this very moment, you are nourishing your inner being through the essence of earth element. So all of you this moment allow that, retrieving the essence of earth element by simply being fully aware of that connection or that connectedness or that groundedness in inner refuge. The moment you lose the awareness, you have disconnected the wire like charging a phone. It does not charge anymore. Moment you're aware and you plug it back, then moment you see the light, green light, and it's charging again. So continuously aware that it is charging continuously. It's nourishing continuously, nourishing your inner being with the essence of earth. Continue that. Water element, in that union of space and awareness, in that warmth, or in that true source, be aware there is already this sense of safe, comfortable, easiness, peacefulness, the essence of the water is there. All the obscuration are cleared, all the obstacles are removed. You have clear opportunity to witness that. And if you open your eye, open your awareness, you will be aware of it. The moment you are aware of it, that is the only moment when you are retrieving the essence of the water element. That is the only moment you begin to nourish your being with the essence of the water element. So be aware and rest, trust and rest in that connection to the essence of the water, a sense of ease and peaceful, and but you're fully aware and you're fully resting in it. Fire. In the same sacred space and awareness, in that warmth, in that union, the warmth, there is a fire, a sense of joy, a bliss, sense of enthusiasm, a drive, inspiration, feeling creative. That dynamic energy of fire, its presence in that union, in that true source of healing, just be aware. If you see it, if you're aware, you see it, you feel it. When you feel it, it begins to nourish you. So continuously be aware of that fire. As long as you are aware, you are nourishing your inner being with the essence of the fire element. The moment you stop being aware, you stop being nourishing. Even though the fire is there, but lack of awareness, it doesn't help. Be aware, allow to fully nourish with the essence of the fire element. Allow fully nourish your inner being. The air element. In that union of space and awareness, where the presence of warmth, in that there is an air element, a sense of freedom, flow, movement, development, expansion, a creative movement, creative flow. Be aware of that flow, freedom, or at least not feeling blocked or not feeling stuck, not feeling like being drained or drowned. The moment you are aware of that fire, you are nourishing your inner being with the essence of the fire element. As long as you maintain the awareness and connection to that fire in that true source, you are nourishing your inner being with the essence of the air element. As we did the space is kind of beginning, and then the inner refuge is the space, so we will not do. So just whatever among these four active element that you feel strongest connection, be aware of that, and we will sing the mantra of 5 elements. Haya Rama Kandam Do 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 Haya Rama